is my 100th video. This is my 99th video. And next week we will announce our Lucky Draws winner. If you guys did not share or comment or even subscribe my channel, do that right away so you guys also can participate in my giveaway. Hi guys, welcome to Shami's Kitchen. Today I'm gonna make a lovely evening snack, Spinach Bonda. It is also my favorite snack. I hope you guys also follow along with me to make Spinach Bonda. Let's quickly look at the ingredients and start. Now let's prepare our Bonda batter. So first, we're gonna add a bowl of spinach. Next, we're gonna add onion. Next, we're adding cilantro. Now we're gonna add basin. Next, we're adding rice flour. Now we're adding red chili powder. Now we're adding hing. Now we're adding baking soda. Now we're adding salt. Now here comes our secret ingredient, dosa batter. 1 ladle of dosa batter. If you don't have 1 ladle of dosa batter, it's okay. You can just skip it actually. This one gives very good flavor. Now we're gonna mix it. Now we will add water, little by little. Now I'm done mixing it. Now let's start to deep fry our bonda. Now the oil is hot. Let's now drop our bondas. Now it's the taste time. I can't wait to eat it. See? I really like the veggies and they look so delicious. I can't stop looking at them. I feel like eating the whole plate right now. It is so delicious. You guys try this recipe. I can feel the spinach taste a lot, but I still like it. I usually don't like spinach because, well, it's a vegetable. I don't like vegetables. But now since it's in this bonda, it is so nice. And the onions was my favorite vegetable. I really love it, especially in the bonda. You guys also try this recipe, and don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell button. Bye!